Hello, and welcome back to Cardano Coin, where we keep you up to date on the most recent and exciting ADA news. We're giving away 1,000 ADA to people who watch. All you have to do to be eligible is upvote, subscribe, make a comment, and watch the video to the end. The winners will be chosen next week and announced on the channel's community page. Cathie Wood, a well-known investor, is noted for her meticulous, rigorous, and thorough attention to detail. These key characteristics stuck out for her when she prophesied that Cardano ADA will be the next big thing. People are unaware of this remarkable reality, depriving themselves of future benefits Cardano has in store for them. Something significant is coming to Cardano, and you must be aware of it in order to make sound investing decisions. So, without further ado, let's watch the video and see what we're talking about. As always, be sure to stick around to the finish of the video. When considering prominent investors, it is typical to focus on well-known names such as Warren Buffett. However, in recent years, someone else has made a name for themselves in the world of investment. Cathie Wood, the founder and chief investment officer of ARK Investment Management LLC, has established a reputation as a stock picker and thought leader in the notion of investing in disruptive technology. A large number of people have made Wood a star in the financial world, particularly in technology and innovation. ARK Invest, her asset management business, is recognized for its bets on technology and innovation. Its entertaining products include robots, genomics, artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, and investments in renewable energy. Wood's attention is currently focused on Cardano, which appears to be one of the cryptocurrencies piquing her curiosity. Cathie Wood is also well known for making bold predictions about the future. She supports Bitcoin and believes Tesla is still cheap, predicting that it will be worth $3 trillion at some time. Despite the fact that many laughed at her when she originally made the statement, Tesla's market valuation was $923.77 billion as of May 4, 2022. At the time, the forecast may not seem that far-fetched. One of the reasons people follow Cathie Wood and invest in funds is because of her forecasts. It is natural for investors to take her financial advice and predictions seriously because she has a track record of being correct. So, what is this huge deal in the works for Cardano? So, let's hear from some powerful and well-known investors. Cardano ADA is trying to create the most appealing blockchain projects that embody technology and creativity and can attract themed investment methods. This is the primary motivation and emphasis of a thematic approach to investment, which focuses on long-term patterns. Rather than focusing on specific industries and businesses or pursuing short-term trends. Thematic investing seeks disruptors who are likely to affect how the world may grow. The emphasis on technology and disruption has gained a reputation and increased influencer interest in blockchain technologies such as Cardano. She says that Cardano ADA will be the finest thing to ever happen to the cryptocurrency world. That's a big assertion. Crypto specialists have followed her lead and identified the currency as one to watch this year. Some see recent crypto price movements as a return to the bull market, with the market bottoming out at $1.129 trillion on May 12. The overall crypto market value has witnessed $188 billion in inflows, implying that crypto winter may be over. On the other side, UBS Global Wealth Management Chief Investing Officer Mark Felly has advised caution, claiming that recent good developments are insufficient to terminate bear market expectations and that recent volatility is insufficient to end current volatility. However, he stated that Cardano, which made a significant rise above 60 cents on May 31st, is driving the bull rush for cryptocurrencies to reverse a local downturn. Instead of this performance, ADA reached 69 cents before retracing slightly to 67 cents. Dan Modello, founder of Crypto Capital Venture, has predicated the future positive performance surrounding Cardano on the imminent Vessel hard fork, noting that the tale just gets better. Cardinal's Vessel hard fork is still weeks away, while ADA's narrative continues to improve. On May 38th, he tweeted, "To become the sixth most valued cryptocurrency, the ADA token has surpassed the XRP and SOL tokens of the Ripple and Slotted blockchain networks, respectively. So, will Cardano capitalize on this momentum to reclaim its old glory? This comeback, however, is not achievable for certain persons. In September 2021, soon before the implementation of smart contract capabilities, the price of ADA peaked at $3.10. Since then, it has been heading south, shattering critical support levels along the way and causing irritation among some of its members. On May 13th, a local low of 39 cents was reached. As a result of a larger market sell-off caused by the Terra collapse, the stock lost 87% of its value from peak to trough. The good news is that this same Cardano is leading the large-cap cryptis rally. So, what's next for the Cardano project? Well, after creating the first blockchain using the proof-of-stake protocol, Quota Nano is now working on making this blockchain more competitive. One of the major Cardano developments is the Vessel hard fork, which is expected to make the chain faster and cheaper. The Cardano team is also working on Hydro, a scaling protocol that might make Cardano the fastest chain. The Cardano team is also building its DeFi ecosystem quicker. Several DeFi goods and initiatives will be released in the chain in the coming months. Indeed, Cardano is a cryptocurrency to keep an eye on this year, much like Ethereum, which is undergoing a series of updates. In March 2021, Cardano will conduct a series of hard forks to extend its feature set. The Mary hard fork enabled the network to become a multi-asset platform, and the Vessel hard fork is planned to be implemented on June 29th. It will offer significant network capacity increases as well as the Cardano smart contract programming language Plutus, which allows decentralized application creation. One of the key factors that may have driven the price of Cardano ADA higher is the anticipated hard fork. A hard fork is a major change to the network protocol that validates previously invalid blocks and transactions. A hard fork happens when nodes in the most current version of a blockchain no longer accept older versions, resulting in a permanent separation from the network version. Another reason Cardano's value is increasing is because data shows a considerable growth in the quantity of native assets on the network. On the Cardano blockchain network, which houses the ADA cryptocurrency, over 5 million non-fungible tokens, or NFTs for short, have been issued, demonstrating greater community acceptance. Despite recurrent downturns in her family's money, Woods has been unwavering in her resolve to invest in firms focused on innovation, stockpiling portfolios across the arc with companies impacted hard by narrative pressures and high-growth technology equities. Furthermore, even though ARK Invest is in troubled wood, he stays upbeat about the future. Even when Michael Burry began to short ARK money, she asserted that she was looking 5 years and beyond. This emphasizes the significance of having a long-term approach to Cardano. Cardano has risen in value in comparison to other smart contract platforms such as Ethereum, Polkadot, and Solana, but it is still not widely used. But why is this happening? Of course, it's the same old rationalization. Cardano is still in its early stages and is susceptible to severe volatility, but the whole crypto ecosystem is volatile. Some investors have been skeptical about cryptocurrency's long-term prospects, but ADA stands out as an exception. Cardano has many use cases and a long-term growth strategy, indicating that it has long-term value and is capable of surviving. If you're still skeptical, consider cryptocurrency's multiple increasing fundamentals. Things aren't looking good for ADA right now, as it is going through a difficult period. For the time being, because it is impossible to foresee when he will achieve success, investors should take a long-term approach. Although Cardano is still in its early stages, it is difficult to dismiss the fact that investors and traders may get in early and be among the few to benefit from the largest financial gain. From the looks of things, Cardano's breakthrough appears to be closer than we realize. The Vessel's fork. The introduction of the hard fork has been highly anticipated in Cardano and is likely to have a stronger impact than the Alonso hard fork. What does a game-changing development sound like to you? Cardano's founder, Charles Hoskinson, has stated that Vessel is a major deal. You don't know what's coming from Cardano, but you've been hinted at it, so take a risk and purchase some Cardano. ADA only long-term investors see Cardano's great potential. There is no question that the coin has the potential to smash records. Despite the current crypto crisis, the ADA coin price will skyrocket to a new all-time high. However, as usual, please share your ideas in the comments area below. Also, remember to click the subscribe and bell buttons.